Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see Lenovo laptop and the model number is L540. In this laptop we are going to replace the keyboard. This keyboard replacing is little different. Means those who are basically don't know to change suddenly for keyboard, you can follow this method. In this already I have removed the keyboard. There is no any screws under to remove this keyboard. Before removing the keyboard, you can see the layer like this top layer. This layer you have to pull it like a top side, means this, like you can see here. See, it's going little upside. See, it's moving upside, while you can use something like flat something, or you can use a small knife or something to pull it towards upside. Just if you pull it like this, even from this lock, let me show you. From here, just you pull it like a upside. While you pull it upside, in this you can see, I will make it a closer. You can see here the screw 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are 5. This is the, in this corner you can see, this corner you can see here, totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 screws are there. While you remove the screws, automatically you can remove the keyboard, and same while you fix it, and we can disconnect this both the cable. And from here you can see there is no any screws which is communicating to this keyboard. Let me show you. From downside I have removed, but no screws from under 100%. Only as I shown in this keyboard. These are the 6 screws. After removing the 6 screws, you can just fix it properly. So I am going to fix it the new keyboard. Let me take the new keyboard, and in this keyboard also there is screws. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 screws. We are going to fix this one, and I am holding by camera in my hand, that's why I couldn't show you properly. Same as I said, just I am going to pull this layer to the top side, and I fix these screws. And let me fix this one. Now we have fixed the keyboard. Just while you fixing time, one more thing, don't put from here. Put the keyboard like a little sliding, put it inside, and from the top to the towards downside, just press it and pull to the downwards. After pulling downwards, just press this layer to the top side, as I said you before, to remove. Same like this, and tight all those screws, and after that just fix it. It's finished. This is how to fix the keyboard. This is a very simple method. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.